land breeze and sea breeze of class 8 of chapter number 4. See here, for learning the land breeze and sea breeze, first of all we have to just recapitulate our knowledge regarding the convection, because these land breeze and sea breezes happen because of the phenomenon of convection. Now you all know that during convection what happened. See here, last time also I explained you about that how the convection takes place. Suppose this is the water I take into the beaker, and when I heat this beaker, keep this beaker first of all on the tripod stand. Then after that heat it with the help of an gas burner. Then what happen after heating? This bottom of that beaker are get hot and small bubbles are getting rise upward, and these small bubbles are rises up. And this means what? Why these bubbles are rises up? Because they are lighter in weight, and that air is lighter in weight, it moves upward direction. It moves upward direction. But the water which is present at the top of this beaker is cold. It is not still received there. This cold air is moves down. Again it get hot, and it again it come down, getting hot and moves upward. And like this way this cycle is continue, and this phenomenon is known as the convection. Same thing is happen in the land breeze and sea breeze also. For example, suppose this is the land, this is the sea. Okay, this is the sea, this is land, this is the sea. Here it is the, I am showing you the first of all during the daytime what is happen. During the daytime sun is present, so that the sunlight it falls on the both land and on sea during the daytime. These sun rays are falls down on the land and the sea. During the daytime, this sunlight falls on both land and sea. And one important concept regarding this getting hot of that land and sea is that land is get hot earlier as compared to the water. As it get hot earlier, same way it cools down faster as compared to the water. And opposite of that what? That sea water is get hotter slowly and it cool down slowly at the evening. Then what happened during the daytime? During the daytime this sunlight falls on the land, and as per the concept this land is get hot faster as compared to the sea water, so that the air around this land is become hot, and hot air is lighter in weight, so that this hot air is moves upwards from the land surface. This hot air moves upward from the land surface because it is in lighter in place, and to take the place of this air, that cold air from the sea moves towards the land during the daytime. The cold air moves towards the land during the daytime, and this phenomenon is called as the sea breeze. It is called as the sea breeze. Means what? The phenomenon of moving cold air towards the land during the daytime, this phenomenon is known as the sea breeze, and this sea breeze takes place during the daytime. Then when you are drawing the diagram of this sea breeze, that time one important keyword compulsory, you have to show the sunlight. Second, these arrows are important, from where the air is moves from sea to land during the sea breeze, and this word is important during daytime. Like this way the sea breeze is happen during the daytime. Okay. Next concept is what? Sea breeze. Sea breeze is what? Opposite of that. And this what happen? As during the daytime, this land is get hot faster and sea water is get hot slower as compared to the land. At the evening time, what happen? As it is hot slower, same way it gets cooled down. It is also slower, means during night time what happens? Land is cool but sea water is hot. Land is cool but sea water is hot. But and because of that reason, during night time the hot air from the sea water is rises up. This hot air from the sea water is rises up, and to take its place the cold air from the land moves towards the sea during the night time. This cool air moves towards the sea during the night time, and this phenomenon is known as land breeze. This phenomenon is known as land breeze. Means what? Land breeze takes place during the night time, whereas the sea breeze takes place during the daytime. Here it is what? During the land breeze, the sea water gets cooled down slower, so that at night times the sea water is hot. This hot air rises up, and to take the place of that air, the cool air from the land moves toward the sea during the night time, and this phenomenon is known as the land breeze. Now children, I think so you are clear about that, the land breeze and sea breeze. Next part we will learn about that, the next mode of the transfer of the heat, that is radiation.